2018 Mercedes-Benz C300. We're going to be doing the hood strut replacements. What you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver like this one. And what we're basically going to do is remove these little clips that are right here. And basically you're going to pop them out just like that. And I'll show you how to do this here in a second, but you're going to pop them out like that. Okay, now same thing on the bottom. It has exact same style of clip, so you're gonna just pop it out. Okay, now before I remove the actual strut, I put a hood prop to hold up the hood, because one strut is not going to be able to hold up the entire weight of the hood. So make sure you take that off and the bottom one off. Okay, and then you're basically, you pop back in. You can completely remove it because the new ones, the clips already come in it and you just pop it in. So now that the clip is removed, you can go ahead and remove it. Okay, same thing on the bottom here, you just pop it back out. Now, when you're replacing the new one is where you're going to have these clips installed. So you're not going to have to do this step. So you get the brand new one. You make sure that it's in there. And when you press it in, the clip will push in. And then that's it. That's how you replace the struts. It's pretty easy. You do the exact same thing on the other side.